Welcome back. Today you will learn 50 very common English mistakes that many learners make every single day. Let's fix them in a simple and easy way. Let's start. Mistake 1. Wrong. I am agree. Correct. I agree. Agree is already a verb, so no am. Mistake 2. Wrong. I have 25 years. Correct. I am 25 years old. We use am, is, are for age. Mistake 3. Wrong. He don't like it. Correct. He doesn't like it. Use doesn't with he, she, it. Mistake 4. Wrong. I didn't went. Correct. I didn't go. After didn't, we use the base verb. Mistake 5. Wrong. I'm waiting you. Correct. I'm waiting for you. We always wait for somebody. Mistake 6. Wrong. I want to eat something healthy food. Correct. I want to eat something healthy. Something already acts like a noun. Mistake 7. Wrong. She is married with him. Correct. She is married to him. The correct preposition is to. Mistake 8. Wrong. Can you explain me this? Correct. Can you explain this to me? We explain something to someone. Mistake 9. Wrong. I am boring. Correct. I am bored. Boring causes the feeling. Bored is how you feel. Mistake 10. Wrong. I didn't understood. Correct. I didn't understand. Base form after didn't. Mistake 11. Wrong. I am studying English since 2020. Correct. I have been studying English since 2020. Since needs present perfect continuous. Mistake 12. Wrong. I very like it. Correct. I really like it. We don't use very before a verb. Mistake 13. Wrong. She is more kinder. Correct. She is kinder. No more with adjectives ending in er. Mistake 14. Wrong. I didn't knew that. Correct. I didn't know that. Base verb after didn't. Mistake 15. Wrong. We discussed about it. Correct. We discussed it. Discuss doesn't need about. Mistake 16. Wrong. I will to go. Correct. I will go. No to after will. Mistake 17. Wrong. I am agree with that. Correct. I agree with that. Same rule as before. Mistake 18. Wrong. Let's meet us at 5. Correct. Let's meet at 5. Meet already includes both people. Mistake 19. Wrong. He explained me the problem. Correct. He explained the problem to me. Explain something to someone. Mistake 20. Wrong. I have a good news. Correct. I have good news. News is uncountable. Mistake 21. Wrong. She said me the truth. Correct. She told me the truth. Tell plus person. Say plus words. Mistake 22. Wrong. I am here since 2 hours. Correct. I have been here for 2 hours. For is used for periods of time. Mistake 23. Wrong. My brother is doctor. Correct. My brother is a doctor. We need an article before jobs. Mistake 24. Wrong. I didn't made it. Correct. I didn't make it. Base form again. Mistake 25. Wrong. I'm good in English. Correct. I'm good at English. The correct preposition is at. Mistake 26. Wrong. I am living in London. Correct. I live in London. Use present simple for facts. Mistake 27. Wrong. It depends of you. Correct. It depends on you. Correct preposition is on. Mistake 28. Wrong. I'm not agree. Correct. I don't agree. We use don't, not am. Mistake 29. Wrong. I'm here since morning. Correct. I have been here since morning. Present perfect is needed. Mistake 30. Wrong. He is married of her. Correct. He is married to her. Always married to. Mistake 31. Wrong. I'm working tomorrow. Correct. I will work tomorrow. Will is clearer for plans here. Mistake 32. Wrong. She didn't went anywhere. Correct. She didn't go anywhere. Base form after didn't. Mistake 33. Wrong. I must to go. Correct. I must go. No to after must. Mistake 34. Wrong. I am interesting in this. Correct. I am interested in this. Interested describes your feeling. Mistake 35. Wrong. I am tired because I didn't slept. Correct. I am tired because I didn't sleep. Base form after didn't. Mistake 36. Wrong. I lose my keys yesterday. Correct. I lost my keys yesterday. Past tense is needed with time words. Mistake 37. Wrong. I have many homeworks. Correct. I have a lot of homework. Homework is uncountable. Mistake 38. Wrong. Can I have an advice? Correct. Can I have some advice? Advice is uncountable. Mistake 39. Wrong. She is more taller than me. Correct. She is taller than me. No more with taller. Mistake 40. Wrong. I didn't saw him. Correct. I didn't see him. Base verb after didn't. Mistake 41. Wrong. I am good in cooking. Correct. I am good at cooking. Correct preposition is at. Mistake 42. Wrong. I am in home. Correct. I am at home. We say at home. Mistake 43. Wrong. Shut the light. Correct. Turn off the light. Shut is not used for lights. Mistake 44. Wrong. I am going to shopping. Correct. I am going shopping. No to after go plus activity. Mistake 45. Wrong. It is depends on you. Correct. It depends on you. No is here. Mistake 46. Wrong. I am good in maths. Correct. I am good at maths. Always good at. Mistake 47. Wrong. He asked to me. Correct. He asked me. No to needed. Mistake 48. Wrong. I didn't finished yet. Correct. I haven't finished yet. Use present perfect with yet. Mistake 49. Wrong. I didn't saw this movie. Correct. I haven't seen this movie. Present perfect for experience. Mistake 50. Wrong. I will not to do it. Correct. I will not do it. No to after will. Great job! You just learned 50 common English mistakes in a simple and clear way. If you want part 2, tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep learning every day. See you in the next video.